A new chapter begins steel cut for Turkey's TF-2000 destroyer. The air crackled with anticipation. A siren wailed, echoing across the shipyard. This was no ordinary day. In a ceremony imbued with national pride, Turkey marked a pivotal moment in its naval history. The first steel was cut for the TF-2000 air defense destroyer. This long-awaited milestone signaled Turkey's unwavering commitment to becoming a dominant naval power in the region. The TF-2000 is not just a warship, it is a symbol of Turkey's ambition. For a nation at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, facing complex geopolitical challenges, the TF-2000 represents a new era of maritime strength. The journey to this point has been long and arduous, marked by both triumphs and setbacks. But through it all, Turkey's determination never wavered. The ceremony was attended by high-ranking officials, naval officers and engineers, all united by a sense of national purpose. The atmosphere was electric, a palpable sense of history in the making. As the first pieces of steel were cut, they marked not just the beginning of a ship's construction, but the dawn of a new era for the Turkish Navy. A long voyage, the TF-2000 project's turbulent journey. The genesis of the TF-2000 project can be traced back to the mid-1990s, a time of growing regional instability. Turkey, with its extensive coastline and strategic location, recognized the need to modernize its navy and bolster its maritime capabilities. The TF-2000, envisioned as the crown jewel of this modernization effort, was born out of this strategic necessity. However, the path to building a world-class destroyer has been anything but smooth. The project, officially launched in 1995, has faced numerous delays and challenges over the years. Economic crises, political upheavals, and technological hurdles have all threatened to derail the TF-2000's progress. The 1999 Izmit earthquake, which devastated parts of northwestern Turkey, had a significant impact on the project. Resources were diverted towards disaster relief, and the TF-2000's development was temporarily put on hold. Despite these setbacks, Turkey remained resolute in its commitment to the project. The cutting-edge why the TF-2000 matters for Turkey's naval ambitions. The steel-cutting ceremony for the TF-2000 is not just a symbolic event, it marks a major leap forward in Turkey's naval capabilities. The TF-2000 is envisioned as a game-changer, a vessel that will significantly enhance the Turkish Navy's ability to project power, defend its interests, and safeguard its maritime domain. The TF-2000 is designed to be a multi-mission destroyer capable of performing a wide range of tasks, from air defense to anti-submarine warfare. Its advanced capabilities will allow the Turkish Navy to operate more effectively in the increasingly complex and contested waters of the Eastern Mediterranean. The TF-2000 is more than just a warship, it is a statement. It demonstrates Turkey's commitment to its maritime security and its determination to protect its interests in the region. The destroyer will serve as a deterrent against potential adversaries and a symbol of Turkey's growing naval might. Section 4, Arsenal of the Future. Unveiling the technological prowess of the TF-2000. The TF-2000 will be equipped with state-of-the-art technology and weaponry, making it one of the most advanced warships in the region. Its sophisticated radar systems will provide unparalleled situational awareness, allowing it to detect and track multiple targets simultaneously. The destroyer's arsenal will include a variety of missiles, including long-range anti-air missiles, anti-ship missiles, and cruise missiles. This will give the TF-2000 the firepower to engage multiple targets at once, both in the air and at sea. The TF-2000 will also be equipped with advanced electronic warfare systems designed to disrupt enemy communications and protect the ship from electronic attacks. These capabilities, combined with its powerful weaponry and sophisticated sensors, will make the TF-2000 a formidable force in any naval engagement. Section 5, Charting a Course. The TF-2000 and Turkey's Blue Homeland Doctrine. The TF-2000's development is closely aligned with Turkey's Blue Homeland Doctrine, a maritime strategy aimed at securing the country's interests in the Aegean, Black Sea, and Eastern Mediterranean. This doctrine emphasizes the importance of naval power in protecting Turkey's maritime jurisdiction and resources. The TF-2000 will play a crucial role in enforcing Turkey's maritime claims, deterring potential adversaries and safeguarding its exclusive economic zone. Its advanced capabilities will allow the Turkish Navy to operate more assertively in disputed waters and protect its interests in the face of growing regional competition. The TF-2000 will also enhance Turkey's ability to conduct maritime interdiction operations, combating threats such as piracy, smuggling and terrorism. Its presence in the region will contribute to maritime security and stability, promoting freedom of navigation and safeguarding vital sea lanes. Section 6. The Ripples of Power, TF-2000's impact on regional naval balance. The TF-2000's entry into service is expected to have a significant impact on the regional naval balance of power. Its advanced capabilities and formidable firepower will undoubtedly alter the strategic calculus in the Eastern Mediterranean, a region already fraught with tension. The TF-2000's presence is likely to deter potential adversaries and strengthen Turkey's position in regional disputes. Its advanced capabilities will provide the Turkish Navy with a qualitative edge, enhancing its ability to defend its interests and project power. The TF-2000 is more than just a warship. It is a symbol of Turkey's determination to protect its interests and secure its place as a major regional power. As the TF-2000 sets sail in the coming years, it will carry with it the hopes and aspirations of a nation determined to chart its own course in a turbulent world.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.